Morning students. Today now we are discussing about human reproduction la the male gamete sperm பார்க்க போறோம். What is male gamete? The male gamete containing sperm, human sperm. What is human sperm? The sperm is a male gamete. Okay, the structure. The sperm is a male gamete. It is a microscopic. It is a motile in nature. This is spindle fibers, centrioles, that is human sperm. But the human sperm is a microscopic. Human sperm is a microscopic. Then flagellate or flagellated. Flagellated means that is presence of locomotory organ in sperm. So it is called flagellated. There is presence of tail. So it is called flagellated. Then motile gametes. That is motile means movement. That is presence of locomotory organ. So it is called motile gametes. Okay, then the human whole body of sperm covered by the membrane is called plasma membrane. This is a simple question. The sperm covered by the layer is called plasma membrane. That is a semi-permeable membrane. It consists of three parts. One is called head. Second one is called neck. Third one is called tail. Okay, the human sperm consists of three parts. One head, two neck, third one is called tail. First head. The head consists of two parts. Okay, one is called nucleus. Another one is called acrosome. Okay, first nucleus. So what is nucleus? But nucleus means long elongated haploid molecules. Elongated haploid cells or haploid molecules or haploid in nature. Okay, what are the shape? Which shape? In the shape? It is a flat and oval in shape. Flat and oval in shape. Upper nucleus is elongated haploid containing or haploid in nature. What are the shape? Flat and oval in shape. What are the uses? The nucleus containing whole genetic material present in nucleus. But all the genetic material present in the nucleus. Okay, then acrosome. What is acrosome? Acrosome is the outer covering layer of sperm. Outer covering layer of head. A sperm head is called acrosome. What is acrosome? Acrosome is a small cap-like pointed structure. Acrosome is a small cap-like pointed structure present tip of nucleus. Okay, acrosome is a pointed structure that is present in where we get a tip of nucleus. Okay, nucleus oda end, that is tip of nucleus. Okay, it is formed from Golgi body. One more question. Formed from Golgi body of spermatid cells. Okay, very important. One more question. So the acrosome formed from Golgi body of spermatids. Then the acrosome containing presence of enzyme hyaluronidase. That is a proteolytic enzyme. What is proteolytic? That is breakdown of protein is called proteolytic enzyme. It is otherwise called sperm lysine. Hyaluronidase otherwise called sperm lysine. Okay, the male containing presence of enzyme hyaluronidase or sperm lysine or proteolytic enzyme. The female containing hyaluronic acid. Upper head over. So the head consists of acrosome and nucleus. Nucleus elongated, cap-like, flattened over in shape. Acrosome being a small cap-like pointed structure, presence of being a tip of the nucleus. Okay, that is formed from Golgi body of spermatid. Then acrosome containing enzyme is called hyaluronidase. That is otherwise called proteolytic enzyme. That is otherwise called sperm lysine. What are the uses? It can use to penetrate the ovum during the fertilization. But the fused of male and female gamete is called zygote. During the fertilization, penetrate. The egg is covered by many layers. Zona. Okay, zona glomerulosa. Sorry, zona zona radiata. Okay, the zona radiata. அதெல்லாம் கரெக்ட்டா பிரேக் டவுன் பண்ணக்கூடியது. இது சார் அப்படினு கேட்டா that is hyaluronidase enzyme, that is a sperm lysine. Okay, then next second one is called neg. Neg is a short. குட்டையா இருக்கும். Present between head and middle fish. Okay, that is head and middle fish. Appa neck is a short connecting link between head and middle piece of the sperm. It contains PCT, proximal centriole, the region. Proximal centriole. Proximal centriole towards. Okay, the proximal centriole towards the nucleus. Towards the nucleus. Okay, in the region. What are the uses? Okay, the first cell division of zygote. Main use proximal centriole use in a cell division of zygote. Cell division of zygote. What is zygote? Fusion of male and female gamete is called zygote. Upper the PCT, proximal centriole towards the nucleus. What are the uses? Play the role first division of zygote. Then distal centriole. Okay, the distal centriole give rise. The distal centriole give rise to inner cerebellum axial flamen. Okay, that is called axial flamen, center axial flamen. Okay, அப்ப TCT உடைய வேலை என்ன சார்? The TCT begin இத சார் என்ன பண்ணுது அப்படினு கேட்டா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா என்னது? Begin axial flamen. Okay, இது ஒரு சைடு. Then the middle space containing presence of mitochondria in the region. The middle space containing presence of mitochondria. Mitochondria is a powerhouse of cell. செல்லின் சக்தி கோபுரம் என்று அழைக்கக்கூடிய யார் சார் அப்படின்னு கேட்டா மைட்டோகாண்ட்ரியா. அப்ப மைட்டோகாண்ட்ரியா ஆக்ட் as power of cells. It is a spirally twisted It is a spirally twisted around the axial flamen. Okay, the region spirally twisted around the என்ன சார் அப்படினு கேட்டா spiral flamen. Okay, it is called axial flamental mitochondria. Axial flamental mitochondria அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, that is otherwise called nebercan. It is otherwise called nebercan. Otherwise called nebercan அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, then last one is called tail. What is tail? Tail is the longest part of sperm. Sperm உடைய last largest. The largest part of sperm is called tail. Okay, what are the shape? Slender. That is slender. Tataya. That is slender, pointed or tapering in nature. Tapering. Slender and tapering. Upon the tail is the longest part of sperm. It is a slender and tapering nature. It is formed central axis of flamen. Central axial flamen. It is formed என்ன சார் இதுல இருக்கு? Central region. Central axial flamen. Okay, that is central axial flamen, otherwise called axonema. Okay, the tail center region. It is formed central axial flamen அல்லது axonema. Okay, the outer layer, outer region is called, that is a membrane, plasma membrane. Okay, or protoplasmic sheath. Sheath means layer. Okay, the tail containing two parts, one is central axial flamen or axonema, another one is called protoplasmic sheath. The central region of tail is called central axial flamen or axonema. The outer region is called protoplasmic sheath. But the lasting movement of tail, the sperm can forward. The lasting movement of tail, the sperm can forward movement. Okay, இப்படி பண்ணோம்னா automatic forward. இங்க tail, axing movement of sperm or tail. Okay, the sperm forward movement. Okay, the human sperm single ejaculation can produce in 200 to 300 million sperm can produce for single coitus. Okay, single ejaculation ஒரு தடவை okay coitus பண்ணும்போது it can producing 200 to 300 sperm, this million sperm can producing. one more question, how many sperm அப்படினா 200 to 300 million sperm for single ejaculation. Here 60% is normal, 40% is vigorous in nature. Okay, 60% of sperm is a normal, remaining இருக்கக்கூடிய 40% எப்படி சார் இருக்குன்னா vigorous-ஆ இருக்கும். Okay, understand? அப்ப tail ரெண்டு பார்ட், central region வந்து axonema, outer region protoplasmic sheath. tail வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா மூவ்மென்ட்னால sperm forward movement. Okay, single ejaculationல 200 to 300 million sperm can ejaculated. Okay, 60% is வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா normal in nature, 40% வந்து பாத்தீங்க அப்படினா vigorous in nature. For எதுக்கு சார் அப்படினு கேட்டா during the fertilization. Okay, thank you.